In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete responses in Google Forms. This is a handy skill to have when managing form data, especially if you're looking to declutter your results or reset a survey for a fresh start. We're going to walk through all the steps, so don't worry if you're new to Google Forms. By the end of this guide, you'll be an expert at cleaning up those responses. First, open your web browser and head to the Google Forms website. Make sure you're logged into your Google account to access your saved forms. Once you're in, navigate to the form for which you'd like to delete the responses. You can do this by clicking on the name of the form from your list of saved forms, or if you have the link to the specific form, you can directly input that into your browser. After opening your form, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Responses tab. Click on this tab to view all the responses that have been collected so far. This section will give you a great view of all the data and insights gathered from your form users. Once in the Responses tab, you'll notice 3 horizontal dots, often referred to as the More option, located at the top right of this section. Go ahead and click on that. This will reveal a drop-down menu with a few different options for managing your data. Among these options, you should see Delete All Responses. Selecting this will prompt a confirmation dialog to appear on your screen. This dialog will ask if you're sure you want to delete all responses. It's essential to understand that doing this will permanently remove all the data you've collected. There's no going back, so make sure you're absolutely certain before proceeding. If you're ready to clear the responses, hit the Yes or Confirm button in the dialog box. This action will remove all recorded responses, effectively giving you a blank slate of a form. It's particularly useful if you're planning to reuse the same form for a new audience or event. However, if there's any data you might want to reference in the future, consider downloading a copy first for your records. To do this, check out the Download Responses option before clearing everything. And that's it! You've just learned how to delete responses in Google Forms. It's as simple as that. But remember to always double-check that you really want to clear your data before taking that step. We hope this guide was helpful for your needs. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and updates.